Thank you. Thank you. Hey, baby. You got me here. Thank you to Nina Garcia and the entire team of Elle Magazine for honoring Denai, Lupita, and myself with this beautiful cover and for recognizing our contributions to Black Panther in this way. Although this event celebrates women in Hollywood, I think it
I want you to be honest in the comments. Tell me your deepest thoughts about the movie Black Panther, and that's either Black Panther 1, the original, or 2.
goes further, even a step beyond, in celebrating women. When we aren't in our gowns and we aren't on the sets of our films and television shows or behind the camera, we all share the common beauty, complexity, and significance of being a woman. It's been an interesting time to be a woman, hasn't it? There have been times when, despite the many blessed successes, I've thought long and hard about what if things change and what it would take to make that change. But then I think about the women who came before us, those who endured, those who overcame so that we could live and work and succeed.
Take this time and go into the comments and tell me, list out some of the women that came before her that you think paved the way to give her the power to do what she do as well as other women.
Succeed, thrive, love, and win. And as I stand here tonight, we are going to win in every way imaginable. But we have to do it together. You see, we women are a nation of powerful beings. And you know that when we put our minds and our hearts together, we are unstoppable. When I think about all that we are capable of, I'm reminded of a most appropriate sentiment from Black Panther. In times of crises, the wise build bridges, while the foolish build barriers.
List off your capabilities in the comments. I'm curious to know what they are.
We must find a way. We must find a way to look after one another as if we were one single tribe. I accept this tremendous honor in the spirits of my sheroes, my mother, Betty Jane, my aunt, Golden, and my daughter, Bronwyn, who I remind every day that she is worthy and she is enough. We are all enough. And together,
Tell me about the women in your life that paved the way for you, that gave you a good foundation.
we stand strong, proud, determined, resilient, and unsilenced. In the words of Queen Ramonda, I say sincerely, my queens, it is your time. Thank you.
Please go into the comments and tell me your thoughts about this speech. Tell me your thoughts about this lady as a whole. Also, consider joining the membership. Help me molding this channel to where it should be. Also, give this video a like, and please consider subscribing to the channel and sharing this video with whomever you feel worthy that needs to hear it.